To create a cinematic text intro in CapCut, begin by adding your default text to the timeline. Type in your desired text and customize its style using a bold font for better visual impact. Right-click on a text layer and select Create Compound Clip. With the compound clip selected, go to Video Mask and click Add Mask. Then choose the Filmstrip mask. Rotate and adjust the mask size as needed. Add some feathering to soften the edges and position the mask in the top left corner of your screen. At the very beginning of your clip, add a mask settings keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip and reposition the mask to the bottom right corner. A new keyframe will be created automatically. Your cinematic text intro with a moving Filmstrip mask is now ready.